Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Padasali. So this video is all about an important book for those students who are preparing for your GATE Biotechnology paper 2022, and I might say this particular book is called as guide. So you all know in our 10th standard, 12th standard we'll have a guide na. So like that many questions with respect to GATE Biotechnology paper has been taken from this particular book only. Okay, so if you are searching for a best book that will be helpful for particularly for GATE Biotechnology 2022, then this particular book is the best book to buy, and the book name is Biotechnology by U. Satyanarayana. So this is the book name, and this is how the book outer cover page will be, and this book will be available online also. So if you want, you can get. I think the price is between 600 to 1000, I think so. So if you see into the detail, first it will have a introduction to molecular biology. So if you don't have time to preparing for molecular biology from James T. Action, you can prepare this, and I have prepared for my GATE Biotechnology 2022 and also for CSIR examination from this book only, because the topic will be given easier in this book. Okay, so here you can able to see it is given DNA replication, recombination and repair. So here it will give section. Here you can find a detailed view of sections. Okay, so here they'll give a structure of nucleotide, everything will be there, and here you can find a replications in DNA, recombination repair, like replication in prokaryotic, eukaryotic, everything will be there. Here you can able to see everything is there. Here you can able to see DNA replication, recombination, and DNA repair is also there. Next is that recombination is also there. Next, transcription translation is also there. Here you can able to see transcription is there. It is only 5 pages in the book only. You need to study only that 5 pages is enough. Next is this translation, protein synthesis, this terminator and translation is important, and the inhibitor in protein synthesis is important, and chaperones in protein folding is also important. So these things you can study from this book. And apart from that, we have gene expression concepts, like you have this operon concept, tryptophan concept is there, you can study. And another thing is that if you come so the next unit is the genetic engineering and recombinant DNA technology. In that you can found the molecular tools that are used in genetic engineering. You should study about this restriction endonuclease, what are the enzymes, DNA ligase, like that. And also here you can have this vector. If you have your syllabus with your hand, then it might be useful, because vectors is an important topic that is given in the syllabus. And also you have this methods of gene transfer also here, the transformation, configuration, conjugation, electroporation, liposome mediated gene transfer, direct gene transfer, like that. We have gene transfer techniques also is there, and this genetic engineering is also being given, and other techniques like analytical techniques is entire analytical technique you can found, starting from electrophoresis to DNA sequencing. We have everything, and you also have this polymerase chain reaction is a separate unit itself. In that you can find the technique used for PCR and also other variation PCR only. These pages are only 20 pages or 12 pages or 10 pages only alone you need to study, and also here you can find the application of PCR is also been given. So these things are highly important if you are planning to prepare now only for this GATE Biotechnology paper. Okay. So next you also have the site-directed mutagenesis is there, and this protein engineering is also there. If you want, you can study from this particular book. Next is that gene therapy is there. If you want, you can study. This antisense and antisense therapy is also there, and with examples they had given. So everything you can find in this particular book. Okay, so in this book it's also easy if you go through this book, and here you can able to see the DNA diagnostic for genetic disorder, which is a very important concept with respect to the GATE. Okay, so the next thing is that you should concentrate on studying this pharmaceutical products of DNA technology, that is in animal biotechnology unit you can find this particular topic. Here you can able to study the pharmaceutical products of DNA technology and what are the therapeutic agents that are available for human diseases you can study. And here you can see about this vaccines also is there, types of vaccines. If you don't have time in studying QBB, you can refer this particular book, and here they have given given recombinant vaccine, traditional vaccine, recombinant vaccine, subunit vaccine, DNA vaccine, attenuated recombinant vaccine. There are types are there. You can study from this book itself, and also this monoclonal antibodies is given, how the monoclonal antibodies produce and what are the advantages and disadvantages is given. And then the next thing is that with respect to this industrial biotechnology is the best book to study, because if you are a MSc biotechnology, then you might found it very difficult for studying this industrial biotechnology. Just give a glance. Here we have only 40 pages is there. 40 pages alone you need to study for with respect to this industrial biotechnology. Here, starting from types of bioreactors, we have the parts in conventional bioreactors, sterilization process of bioreactor, everything is there, and this genetic improvement of the strains is also there, which is again an important topic that you should concentrate. And also fermentation process, everything is there, and here you have entire downstream process is there. This is again an important topic that you should study for your GATE examination. Previously, I put a video like this was the topic at that I am going to study for the GATE biotechnology paper. So, in that I have given. So, here you can able to see this enzyme technology also, and this biosensor is there. And if you can't able to study the entire book, at least try to study few important topic like biotransformation of product of commercial products and all you need to study. That this is an important topic that you should study. Next is that how this organic acids are produced. Everything you should study. This will be asked in the form of match. Okay, so how these antibiotics are produced, or how this vitamins are produced, and how these fermented products are produced, that you should study. These things will be definitely asked. How the amino acids are produced, like that you should study. If not, at least try to cover this particular unit itself, and you have a separate unit for animal cell and animal biotechnology. In that you can find all the aspects that with respect to your syllabus for this GATE biotechnology, and also you have this plant biotechnology topic, and here you have the cell viability and cytotoxicity, and you have transgenic animals is also there. Everything transgenic animal and gene knockout mice and transgenic mice and application, and transgenic cattle, how it is produced, and transgenic pig and transgenic fishes are there. And next thing is that you have a separate section called plant and agriculture biotechnology. In that you have protoplast culture, somatic hybridization is again an important thing that you should study. Next thing is that you have this secondary metabolite, that is again an important topic, secondary metabolite in plant culture. So if you have your syllabus in your hand, and if you are comparing that syllabus with this particular book, then you can relate that topics given in syllabus will be taken from this book only. So there are various chances from the question paper to ask from this book only. So if you don't have time, just study this book only. And you have this plant biotechnology study separate thing, and germplasm conservation, and this genetic engineering with respect to plant methodology, gene transfer methods is there, and what are the gene transfer methods that are exclusive for this plant, that agrobacteria mediated gene transfer, virus mediated gene transfer, direct or vectorless method of gene transfer. You have all those things being given over here in this book itself, and also the selectable marker gene, antibiotic resistant, everything is given there. Clean gene technology is also being given. If you need, if you have time, please try to refer. And here you have this plant transformation, like resistant gene for water. What is the name of resistant gene for microorganism? What is the name for this resistant gene from higher plant? Like that, you have various the PARs, ribosomal inactive protein. You have various things that you can study from this book itself. And next, you have the various kind of plant tablet column will be available. At least try to study the tablet column alone. If you can't able to study everything, just try to study the tabulated column alone. So let me share with you one tabulated column. It will be very much helpful. So here you can able to see aminoglycosid and the organism which is producing. So try to study this table column, because they may ask in maths the following question, like streptomycin is produced from Streptomycin geriis, and gentamicin is produced from Monospora purpura. So if you refer previous year GERD question paper, many questions have been asked in the form of match the following from this particular thing only. So So just try to study this particular thing. If you can't able to read the entire thing, here you can able to see they had given outline of biosynthesis of flora texaceae. You can prefer this pathway alone. Sometimes they will remove this thing and they'll ask you which particular thing will be coming over there. So study this formula of outline or thing that will be helpful for you. Higher you can able to see important microreal antibiotic with organism producing them. This will be asked from match the following, or sometimes they will ask which particular organisms involved in producing erythromycin, and they will give a option 4 option, and you need to, if you study from this tablet or column alone, you can tick this particular thing correctly. So take this book, download this book from internet, or you can buy this book if you have time. Since we are running out the time, just study the tableted form of given in this particular book. Okay, so this book is really an important book. I just want to share this information with you. That's why I'm sharing this information. If you have enough money or if you have time, you can buy this book, or else you can download from any internet website and keep it as a guide for GATE biotechnology. I'm damn sure that many questions with respect to GATE biotechnology are asked from this particular book only. So that's why I'm suggesting you this book. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.